Hi, dear students, dear friends, welcome to Gallant IAS. Yes, how to prepare, what to prepare art and culture for prelims 2021. Art and culture part is, for many aspirants, it's a tougher area because UPSC asks very tricky questions, lean questions from art and culture. And many UPSC aspirants have so many concerns about this art and culture preparation. They were confused or they are confused with the method or strategy of preparing art and culture, confused with the vast ocean-like syllabus of art and culture, multiple sources of or multiple resources of art and culture, or about the lean questions they ask in art and culture part, or about devoting too much time for preparing art and culture, or how they can balance other subjects. So actually in this video I will give solutions to all your concerns regarding preparing art and culture for your prelims examination, prelims 2021-2022. Art and culture obviously is one of the important area for your prelims examination. UPSC anytime, see, I think it is in 2014 they asked 9 to 10 questions from this art and culture alone. So you can expect something up to 20-22 marks from art and culture alone. On an average of 4 to 5 questions they ask from art and culture. So if your cutoff is 100, 110 or 120, these 10 marks, 8 marks to 20-22 marks, that plays a very crucial role. Sometimes that can be the game changer. So don't ever skip art and culture. Instead, you must have or you must adopt a very good strategy of preparing art and culture effectively, productively, and in a very quicker time pace. The best strategy, the best solution to understand the demand of art and culture in prelims and adopt a good strategy for preparing art and culture is to understand the syllabus of art and culture. Two things you have to take care. Yes, try to understand what is the syllabus of art and culture in your prelims examination, and at least you have to go through the previous year's questions, last 10 years previous year's questions. So by solving the previous year's questions or by examining the previous year's questions from art and culture, you will understand what is the trend and pattern of art and culture questions in prelims examination. Also a proper understanding of syllabus that will help you to where to prioritize in art and culture for your examination. Okay, you have to study according to the syllabus. You are not going to do any PhD or any research in this art and culture. Your only purpose is score well from art and culture questions in your prelims examination. Now here, we have a 7-day strategy for preparing art and culture. Okay, Gallant IAS offers art and culture course which is online and offline, and we will plan to finish art and culture in just 7 days. Okay, and you know the syllabus. If you check the prelims, there is no explicit syllabus for art and culture. It is included or integrated with the history part. Okay, when you study ancient, medieval, modern history, you have to study the cultural history also. When you come across this GS1 mains, there is explicit history, explicit syllabus for art and culture. You have to study art forms, architecture and literature from ancient to modern times. So here you have to study architecture, art forms, visual and performing art forms, and literature from ancient to modern times. That exactly is the syllabus of this art and culture. So you prepare prelims from main syllabus point of view, or you should have an integrated approach of preparing art and culture, balancing your prelims and mains. So here in our course we will finish entire art and culture, both the static and current affair areas in just 7 days course. Okay, we will be limiting the resources. But at the same time we will cover the art and culture comprehensively. We will have an exam-oriented strategy. We will focus on finishing off the syllabus and giving a good number of revisions. That matters a lot. As far as scoring well in art and culture is concerned, covering static and current affair areas of art and culture. Also, we will be providing mock test. Now, just try to understand this question. Number analysis will give you a perfect picture what is the role of art and culture. Yeah, modern, ancient, medieval, our culture part. It is divided. Previous questions numbers are divided like this. Then you can see culture part. Yeah, 2011 one question asked. Then it is 2012 two questions. That way you can see I taken that culture, exclusive culture part. Sometimes you can see that culture questions. I mean, when you make the divisions, for example, Buddhism, Jainism, I made it as a separate module in ancient India. Okay, so you can see that these are number of questions I made, or I consider them as exclusive art and culture. Okay, some art and culture questions, they can be ancient India questions, medieval India questions. Okay, so anyway, here you can see that an average 4 to 5 questions can be asked from art and culture. So this is an unavoidable area area in your prelims exam preparation. Here the questions are there. You see 2020. Yeah, how many questions were there? Okay, this is exclusively from art and culture. Yeah, it's 4 questions are there, and some art and culture come ancient India, medieval India questions also being asked. That I segregated as ancient India questions or medieval India questions. But you see 4 questions are there. Similar way, from 2019 it's 2 questions are there, exclusive art and culture. Then 2018, 2017, 16, 15, 14, then 13, 12, 11. So actually art and culture, let me tell you, art and culture it has a definite syllabus. You have to prepare according to the syllabus, and that details would be discussed in our session. Art and culture syllabus analysis and prioritizing the core areas, that things would be done in our sessions. Okay, but one thing let me share with you, art and culture, you have to prepare art forms, architecture. Architecture means, okay, architecture means it is from ancient times to modern times. Ancient times to modern times. You will study that architecture of Indus Valley civilization, or architecture during this what is called Buddhism architecture, or this Jainism architecture, then Mauryan, post-Mauryan, Gupta, post-Gupta architecture, temple architecture, Indo-Islamic architecture, Chola architecture, okay, then Bahmani architecture, Delhi Sultanate architecture, Rajput architecture, modern colonial architecture. So you will have to cover this architecture. Different schools of architecture from ancient to modern times. Art forms means visual and performing arts are there. Visual and performing arts are there. You have to cover it from ancient times to modern times. Yeah, visual arts and performing arts, schools of painting, dance forms, music traditions, okay, folk dances. So different, this theater traditions. So these folk theater traditions, or these Sanskrit traditions. So you have to cover visual and performing arts, classical music, classical dance, then these languages and literature from ancient to modern times. Okay, the Bhakti Sufi traditions, their contributions to language, literature, then this Maurya, post-Maurya, Gupta, post-Gupta, then Chola, Delhi Sultanate, Mughals, and this modern, yes, contributors to language and literature, that you have to cover well. Okay. Again, different schools of philosophy, martial arts of India, fairs and festivals of India, tangible, intangible cultural heritage in India, and current affairs. Current affairs means, obviously, when this architecture is in the news, different school. For example, recently Kalinga architecture, or Pattachitra school of painting, or Rani Ki Vav. When these popular art forms, architecture, or the personalities related to this art, architecture, literature, when they are in the news, obviously you have to cover them well. Okay, so this strategy is, art and culture strategy is, you stick on to the syllabus, limit your resources, give a good number of revisions. Okay, focus on the quality material and focus on this like a syllabus oriented preparation, and practice the previous year's questions, and definitely go for a good number of mock test series. Okay, give a good number of mock tests in this art and culture. So you have to finish, don't invest so much time into art and culture. Try to finish art and culture in just 6 to 7 days. Okay, but every day you should give good revision on art and culture by solving the previous year's questions and UPSC standard mock test or mock test questions of art and culture. That will be the best solution to cover up the entire syllabus of art and culture in a very productive and effective way. Okay. We will be providing entire art and culture in 8 to 10 sessions, maximum 20 to 22 hours. Okay. Yeah, that will cover the entire static areas of art and culture and these current affairs of art and culture. Material will be provided, and of course current affairs will be covered. Comprehensive test series will be offered. Okay, so interested students can enroll for this art and culture course, and this is a promise from Gallant IAS that we will be covering the entire syllabus of art and culture from exam point of view in a very decent way, and we will be conducting good number of comprehensive tests for art and culture, which will cover most of the potential questions for 2021 and 2022. So anyway, you can go for the sample sessions and decide accordingly. There is no compulsion for taking the classes, but definitely the course will be it will be beneficial for you. Anyway, this has to be your strategy. Finish your art and culture portion in the quickest way. I mean, in 6 to 7 days you finish entire art and culture, and give it daily practice and daily revision of art and culture, at least 30 to 40 minutes. Yes, you practice art and culture, revise it very well, and of course practice previous year's questions, at least 10 years questions, and you must have very good standard material for comprehensive material for revision. At the same time, limit your resources. Take care. You are not supposed to do PhD in art and culture here. You are here to score well from art and culture areas. So our strategies and our techniques and tricks of solving art and culture questions would be discussed in our regular sessions. That's it. All the best. Thank you. Wishing you very good preparation days ahead. And please do subscribe our channel if you're not. And also stay tuned and watch our regular sessions. Let's Score 120 series, current affairs series, and static video sessions. So obviously static topics video sessions. Watch it, prepare well, and all the very best to all of you. Thank you.